What's up, guys? It's Drop It Like It's Scott. You've seen the preview. Hear the sounds of freedom being thrown. But today, bringing the chaos.
Yes, the chaos! Embrace the chaos.
Yeah, baby. You ready for this? Here we go. And I've got my new glasses on today from Hunter's HD Gold. Shout out Hunter's HD Gold.
A shot he went into, I guess it's to get that.
The hype is real.
Zaviar. I'm not shooting this. Yeah.
We are bringing the chaos every day from here on out. This is a must for your collection. Go, link below, check them out, pick one up for yourself.
Chaos.
The Chaos in 223 Wild, 13.5-inch nitride, complete rifle with an integrated comp, 1/8 twists, 12-inch M-LOK handguard in Sniper Gray. The 223 Wild match grade, ambidextrous charging handle. Low mass bolt carrier group. Taking out some of the weight inside this thing makes it that much more lighter. This also has a no failure bolt carrier. This way you will not have any failures when you are firing. This will hit every time. 13.5-inch nitride barrel with a ported 3-inch end of the barrel, making the rifle a full 16-inch overall. Mid-length gas tube, adjustable gas block, roll pin, 128 1/2 by 28 TPI thread, 1/8 twist rate, new design built-in compensator. This compensator is incredible. It allows you to shoot so flat. As you have seen in this video, this thing does not move, and it is all because of this particular compensator. Bull Moose 3-pound flat face trigger, Olympus 9 dovetail grip, enhanced mag release for making the mag drop easier. Extended takedown pins, they protrude out of the side so you have an easier way of taking down your rifle. This does have a silent capture recoil system inside the buffer tube. This is out of 7075 T6 aluminum. This is the newest AR line from Zaviar. Check them out in the link in the description below. Make sure you tell them Drop It Like It's Scott sent you. And I want to say thank you to Zaviar for allowing me to review this rifle because it is spectacular and it is super fun to shoot. And it is going to be with me for a long time. I just feel it. Hey, thanks for watching. Let me leave you with a word of encouragement. This comes out of Ephesians 5, verse 1. It says, watch what God does and then you do it. Like little children who learn proper behavior from their parents. Mostly, what God does is love you. Keep company with him and learn a life of love. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, Scott. Enjoy your day. Enjoy the journey. Till next time.
Now a word from our sponsors.
Does this look like you? Fret no longer. We have just what you need. This is a Vetter Holsters Cobra gun belt. With the step-down buckle design, it allows you to easily put it on and take it off without having to thread the giant buckle through your belt loops. It fits.
From the moment that we met, you're worth the wait.
Visit VetterHolsters.com to get yours today.